In this video, I'll show you how to link your Whop to Discord server. First, log into your Whop account. If you don't have one yet, sign up, it's free. Once you're logged in, click on your profile or business name, then go to your dashboard. From the left sidebar, click Connected Accounts. And then, find the Discord section and click Connect. A pop-up will appear asking you to authorize Whop to access your Discord. Choose the Discord server you want to connect. You must be the server owner or have admin permissions. Authorize the integration. Once done, Whop will link to your server. Now, let's get back to our Whop account. As you can see, Discord is already here in Connected Accounts. And that's how you connect Whop to your Discord server. It saves you time, gives secure access, and scales your community. That's it. Thank you for watching.